Here's some Vexillology trivia. Subscribe. Which nation's flag has a blue field with a yellow cross? Is it A, Brazil, B, Norway, C, Sweden, or D, Finland? The correct answer is C, Sweden. What is the term for flag study? Is it A, diplomacy, B, vexillology, C, heraldry, or D, cartography? The correct answer is B, vexillology. Which country's flag is known as the maple leaf? Is it A, Australia, B, Canada, C, Japan, or D, USA? The correct answer is B, Canada. Which flag features a golden eagle on a cactus? Is it A, Brazil, B, Mexico, C, United States, or D, Argentina? The correct answer is B, Mexico. What flag has a lion and a sun? Is it A, Scotland, B, Belgium, C, Thailand, or D, Iran? The correct answer is D, Iran. What country's banner features a white star and crescent? Is it A, Libya, B, Morocco, C, Egypt, or D, Turkey? The correct answer is D, Turkey. Which nation uses a blue, yellow, and red horizontal tricolor flag? Is it A, Colombia, B, Chile, C, Argentina, or D, Venezuela? The correct answer is A, Colombia. What is the only national flag that does not have a rectangular shape? Is it A, Nepal, B, Mexico, C, Brazil, or D, Canada? The correct answer is A, Nepal. What flag depicts a red field with a yellow hammer and sickle? Is it A, Soviet Union, B, Vietnam, C, Kazakhstan, or D, North Korea? The correct answer is A, Soviet Union. Which European country has a flag with a blue and white checkered pattern? Is it A, Bulgaria, B, Croatia, C, Greece, or Slovenia? The correct answer is B, Croatia. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.